I think today's start. Surah quoting from chapter 3, verse 56.
So this is chapter 3, verse number 56. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. إذ قال الله يا عيسى إني متوفيك ورافعك إلي ومطهرك من الذين كفروا وجاعل الذين اتبعوك فوق الذين كفروا إلى يوم القيامة ثم إلي مرجعكم فأحكم بينكم فيما كنتم فيه تختلفون. Remember the time when Allah said, O Jesus, I will cause thee to die a natural death and will raise thee to myself and will clear thee of the charges of those who disbelieve and will exalt those who follow thee above those who disbelieve until the day of resurrection. Then to me shall be your return, and I will judge between you concerning that wherein you differ.
So could you kind of explain to us how it could be up to the day of judgment, وَجَعَلُ الَّذِينَ اتَّبَعُوكَ فَوْقَ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا إِلَى يَوْمِ الْقِيَامَةِ.
That position proves that the Jews will not be altogether finished, will not be completely obliterated from the face of earth. They will remain, or a portion thereof, a portion of them, a part of them, will remain till the day of resurrection. And this is what we observe in case of the past nations who already have been rejected by God, yet they continue. The idolaters have been so firmly and roundly rejected that they also continue. So for many nations to remain on the face of earth despite the fact that they have been rejected by God does not raise any objection against this phenomenon at all. So if the Jews are also permitted to remain here on earth so that people can see them, these are the Jews, you know. What harm there is? There's no harm whatsoever. Till the day of, not resurrection, but till doomsday, they will continue to remain here. Till doomsday, Christ will have a supremacy over all those who deny him. Now this part acquires a new connotation when the likeness of Jesus comes in this world. When Hazrat Islam has appeared as a Jesus born in the Ummah of Hazrat Muhammad Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, this promise which is vouched to him, this promise which was vouched to Jesus, will automatically vouch to this likeness of Jesus. And things will shift. If this promise is automatically shifted to the Jesus born in the Ummah of Muhammad Rasulullah Sallam, then we must expect some Jews being born in the Ummah of Muhammad Rasulullah Sallam, who would be called neo-Jews, a new version of Jews. Now, if my claim is right, then I have to support it with some hadith. And I have a very clear version, verdict by Ahmad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam before me, who declared that his ummah, or the ummah which is supposed to belong to him, will one day be so similar to the Jews of the earlier time, as though they were part of a pair of shoes. As one of the pair of shoes resembles the other, so the people of my ummah, or the so-called ummah, will resemble the people of the earlier Ummah of Jewish people. Now you see the connection? So the promise till the end of the time continues. I'm suggesting this because some people may believe that Jews will be completely finished. All right, if they are finished, the old type, the new type will replace them. And the promise of ascendancy will shift, would also shift automatically to the Messiah born in the Ummah of Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Got it? Now, while you translate, I will run for the papers you delivered in my office, which dealt with the question of a verse which Abdul Rahman had raised.
I've got a copy here.
Huh?
I've got a copy of the same paper here.
But still,
Okay.
I would like to go for a while inside, okay?
Yes, there's.
Please. Will it take you 5 minutes to translate or?
Just about maybe 5 to 7.
So, inshallah, I'll be back. You stop me. Continue.
Okay.